what are the 5 top secret or keys for longevity as discovered from the Blue Zone research? Number 1 is moving naturally. Moving your body naturally. Second is managing your stress, especially managing your stress daily. And the third is eating food healthy way. And the next one is a deeper sense of purpose. Deeper sense of purpose. And the last one, the most important one, is community and a sense of connection with each other. Sense of connection, with family, home, with the land. So all these 5 keys is in a way kind of obvious for all of us.